Hi there! Are you a dentist looking for the latest in digital denture solutions? Look no further than the CAD Digital Denture Kit from DGSHAPE. We all know that traditional denture processes can be time-consuming, cumbersome, and sometimes can lead to numerous fitting and adjustment. That's where digital denture and this kit comes in. I have been working in the field of digital dentistry for almost 5 years, and I have always been fascinated by the production of removable prostheses. Even if, thanks to implantology, the number of removable prostheses that a dental office makes today has decreased compared to the past, in any case there are some cases in which it is needed. Pre-extraction prosthesis, for example. Or maybe in the transition from a denture to fixed prosthesis, All-on-4, All-on-X implant rehabilitation, for example. Maybe I have to make substantial improvements to the prosthesis, so I decide to make a removable prosthesis as a try-in to see if we are going in the correct direction or not, and then I scan again. Once all the necessary corrections have been made, I transform digitally the design of the denture into a fixed solution. Once designed, we can print the denture or we can mill it. It's up to you. I prefer to print just the try-in and then mill the final denture. Then we can produce it as a monolithic product, teeth and gingiva together, or in two parts. Then after must be bonded. What is the unique feature of the CAD kit? That you can easily produce the pink part by yourself, further lowering cost. The digital denture solution is incredibly precise, providing a perfect fit for your patient every time, so you can be sure that the dentures will be durable and long-lasting. In conclusion, if you are a dentist looking for a solution to streamline your denture process, this kit is the answer. With its advanced technology and precision, in my opinion, is the perfect solution for any dental practice. Thank you for watching. For more information on the CAD Digital Denture Kit, visit DGSHAPE's website.